Today we're going to be sharing how you can make these simple pine snowflakes to decorate with this holiday season. You're going to need some pine, some wired jute, a hot glue gun, and then scissors or garden shears and wire snips. You're going to start by cutting a few pieces of your wire jute. You're going to want 2 longer pieces and one about half as long. And then you're going to use the hot glue gun to glue these together. So you glue in the center of the 2 long ones and then glue one end of the shorter piece to that center point as well. Once they're all glued together, you're just going to want to adjust the wire pieces so you have 5 evenly spaced out sections. Then you'll want to find 5 pieces of pine that are about the same length, and then you'll just attach them to each of these pieces of wire by adding hot glue and then pushing those in place. Then for the center, I cut off the end of one of the branches that I had extra, and I just glued that right in the center to kind of cover up the overlapping pieces.